Okay, we're going to continue here. This is the same model. It's a 410, a ZT410 from Zebra. But we're using a wider material now. We're using a 4-inch wide RFID label. It still has the same kind of design. We're going to go through some of the weird differences we see here compared to the micro. Okay, so ribbon goes around the outside just like before. Comes underneath the print head, not back here, not back here, only here, right? So you come under here all the way around to the front, cinch it up on itself until it turns and gets rid of all wrinkles on the front face. Then you run your paper through the back side. Paper goes to the back side, okay? And it comes under. You've got a edge guide here to press up against the edge, pinch it. You've got the same sensor position down here, this sensor. Move it in and out in order to get the green light to shine through this part. Now remember, on the micro we were going to the outside edge on the micro, but on the classic size here we want to go to the inside. And the reason why is that the green light underneath here, this sensor, can only go about halfway. So it's never going to be able to go out here. So you have to shift that all the way to the left. And I'll show that in a second. The other thing I wanted to show is as you peel this off, remember before with the micro, the white side was on the inside? It's just the opposite on the classic, right? So you're now going to have, let's see, did I do that right? Let me look at that again. White side is on the outside, right? So now when we have the sensor, we want it to go over this metallic edge right here, not inside this area where you have some imprinting, because the sensor will notice that and get confused as the start of the label. So it has to be all the way on the left-hand side here, okay? All right, I'll put this one back. All right, so now if we try to look straight down the throat of this, you'll see, hopefully, that I have put the green light. Here, I'll try to see if I can show that. If you look down the middle, you hopefully can see the green light along the left-hand side as I shove this down. And if I can't, then I'll try to show it in a different way here. But as you look straight down the middle, I'll try to get in line with the camera here and come up so you can see there's a green light way down in there, and that needs to be lined up a little bit further to the outside. So I'm going to go further out, and then when I pull the labels through, you should see where that is. See that big strong light now? That should actually be about right. Okay, so now we can close our print head. We hit pause, see if it actually finds it, which it does. And we'll check that again. Hit feed. One label. Apparently we've done it correct.